guys, magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ako muling nagbabalik at magluluto po tayo for today ng pasta. Ito po yung lalagyan po natin ng gulay. So, bago po yan guys, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe, like at share sa aking YouTube channel. See you guys! So, tara na guys, magsisimula na po ako sa ating paghihiwa para po sa ating mga ingredients. So, ipiprepare na po natin silang lahat. So, tara na po, magsisimula na po tayo sa ating pagluluto. So, guys, nandito po ang ating mga ingredients. So, meron po tayong cabbage. Ayan. Meron po tayong isang pirasong carrots. And then, isang pirasong bawang. At meron din po tayong isang pirasong sibuyas. Maglalagay din po tayo guys ng 3 piraso ng itlog, curry leaves, ayan, fresh curry leaves. Meron po tayong sausage. Maglalagay po tayo ng crushed pepper, salt, at isang pirasong chicken cubes. At ito po yung aking gagamitin na pasta. Ang una natin gagawin guys ay magbabalat muna tayo ng bawang. Syempre, unahin po na natin ang ating mga panggisa. Ayan. Ayan guys, natapos na natin siya. So, i-chop na lang natin siya. Sunod po natin ang ating sibuyas. So yan, dito naman tayo sa carrots. So tanggalin natin yung balat ng carrots. Slice po natin ito guys. Yan, next po natin ang ating cabbage. Ayan guys, meron po tayong 5 pirasong sausage. Iwain lang natin siya ng pagganito. So, ayan guys, na-ready ko na ang ating ingredients. So, andito na po yung ating 3 pieces of egg, curry leaves, 1 piece of chopped onion, 1 piece of cloves of garlic chopped. Then, we have here crushed pepper, salt, 1 packet of pasta, our chicken cubes, a slice of carrots, 1 piece, sausage, slice also. This sausage is 5 pieces, and we have also a slice of cabbage. Now we need to proceed for our pasta. So I put a little bit of water. We need to boil this one. And we have to put a little bit of oil. We use oil guys, a little bit of oil. The purpose is not to stick together our pasta while they are boiling, and if we remove from the pot, For a meanwhile, we need to close this pot and we need to wait for boiling water. While we're waiting for our boiled water, guys, you can put now 1 teaspoon of salt. Then after our pasta have taste, and 1 chicken cubes. Now it is starting to boil. We need to wait for milk for these cubes. Then after that, we have to put our pasta. Now we can put our pasta, but we will boil our pasta for only a few minutes. Don't be overcook our pasta, guys. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes only. Now guys, we need to mix this one. Then after they not stick together our pasta, only a few minutes is already done. Our pasta is already done, so I will take out this one, guys. And then after I remove this oil and I will put from strainer. We need to remove the water and keep it cool and set aside. With same bowl, guys, we will use our same bowl. Then we proceed to start to saute our all ingredients. First, we have to put our little bit of oil. And then we have to put first our chopped garlic. We need to become this one golden brown. Next, we can add now our onion. Next, we will add our curry leaves. Now we can put our sausage. We have to saute all these things, then after we will put our pasta. On this side, guys, I put our 3 pieces of egg. And then we will put 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper. We have to mix this one, guys. We can put now our carrots. Next, our cabbage. You have to mix them well, guys. We can add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we can put our pasta little by little. Now our pasta is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. So guys, here now our finished cooked pasta. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys. Bye bye.